Hey there, Green Thumbs! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we turn everyday kitchen waste into garden gold. Are you tossing out kitchen scraps without a second thought? Well, stop right there. Those scraps are more valuable than you might think. Today I'm going to show you how to turn that so-called trash into treasure for your garden. It's easier than you think and incredibly rewarding. Trust me, your plants will thank you. First up, banana peels. These are not just for slipping on in cartoons. These guys are packed with potassium and other essential nutrients. Potassium is crucial for plant health, aiding in water regulation and enzyme activation. Just chop up the peels and bury them in your soil. This simple act can make a big difference in your garden's vitality. Over time, they'll decompose and release nutrients that help your plants grow stronger and healthier. Next, let's talk eggshells. These are often overlooked but are a powerhouse of calcium. Instead of throwing them away, rinse them out and crush them into small pieces. This not only recycles waste but also provides a slow-release source of calcium. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which is crucial for preventing issues like blossom end rot in tomatoes. This condition can ruin your crop, but eggshells can help prevent it. Sprinkle the crushed shells around the base of your plants and let nature do the rest. It's a simple step that can yield great results. Coffee grounds are another gem hiding in your kitchen. Don't just toss them out, they have multiple benefits for your garden. Rich in nitrogen, coffee grounds can give your plants a fantastic boost. Nitrogen is essential for plant growth, especially for leafy greens. Just mix them into your compost or directly into the soil to improve its texture and fertility. The grounds also help with soil aeration and water retention. Plus, coffee grounds can help deter pests like slugs and snails. Double win. These pests can wreak havoc on your plants, but coffee grounds can keep them at bay. Got some leftover tea bags? Don't toss them. They can be a great addition to your compost pile. Used tea bags can add valuable nutrients to your compost and help improve soil structure. The tannins in tea can also help with soil acidity. Just make sure to remove any staples and tags before tossing them in. This ensures that no non-biodegradable materials end up in your compost. Let's not forget about vegetable scraps. These are often the most common kitchen waste, but are incredibly beneficial for composting. Onion skins, carrot tops, and even potato peels can all be composted. These scraps break down and add essential nutrients back into the soil. These organic materials break down over time, enriching your compost with vital nutrients that your plants will love. It's a natural cycle that benefits your garden immensely. And here's a strange but effective one: stale bread. You might not think of bread as compost material, but it works wonders. Crumble it up and add it to your compost pile. Bread breaks down quickly and adds organic matter to your compost. As it decomposes, it provides additional organic matter to your compost, boosting its nutrient content. This helps create a rich, fertile environment for your plants. So there you have it. A simple guide to turning kitchen scraps into plant power. By repurposing these common kitchen scraps, you can give your plants the nutrient-rich boost they need to grow stronger, faster, and healthier. It's a sustainable practice that benefits both your garden and the planet. Plus, you're reducing waste and doing your part for the environment. It's a win-win situation. Every little bit helps in creating a more sustainable world. Start small, experiment, and watch your garden thrive. Happy gardening! Remember, every small step you take makes a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips. Your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, keep growing. Stay green and keep nurturing your garden.